Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Green Hell game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after you are logged into your account, you can click on the search box within the store page, and now just type in Green Hell to begin your search. Once you find the Green Hell game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. You can then click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. Now you have the option to use your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Then just enter your credentials and your billing information. Now once you complete your transaction, the game will be added to your library and you can start the installation in just a few clicks. Once it is done, you can start enjoying the Green Hell game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Green Hell game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.